Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable a chat on Roblox. Okay, let's start it. First open your Google Play Store app. Now search Roblox update. Check your Roblox update. Now available Roblox update. Next step, open your Roblox app. Follow all the next step properly. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Open your Roblox app. Waiting please. On and loading. Then click on the option line. Scroll the setting policy. Now setting, click on the setting option. Then there is no option. Back. Click on the and safety option. Then click on the help option. My internet is loading problem. Waiting please. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Then open. Then search your articles. Search turn on voice chat. Then show you how I do turn on voice chat. Click on the option. How do I turn on voice chat? Scroll down. Was this articles helpful? No. Then click on need more help, contact support here. Scroll down, waiting please and loading. Follow all the next step properly. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Then username, first name, then your email address, confirm email address, then scroll down, device type, would select your device, iPhone, iPad, Android phone. Click on the Android phone. My device is Android phone. Select your device. Type of help category. Scroll down. Then click on the technical support. Help subcategory type. Cannot visit experience. Scroll down. Please describe the issue that you are facing. Include any relevant information like where the issue is occurring or the error message. Then tap on the box past your problem here. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible. Thank you. Scroll down. Now click on the continue option and waiting please. Then your problem. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.